Good afternoon, Ford Shop Yard. So, before I went to work this morning, I stopped by AutoZone to get the new fuel line disconnects. And I got two different ones. I got this one here, which is, it's got the 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, and I believe it's a 1/2 inch. Yeah. Okay. Now, the two sizes I needed were the 5/16 and the 3/8. But this has both. This one kit here has both. But I wanted to be able to have a little more leverage and more room. So I got this one as well. Got more room with this one. But it only comes in 5/8, 3/8, 1/2 inch, and 3/4. Now, what did I say? I said I needed a 5/16 and 3/8. Okay. So this only has one size that I need. The 5/8 fits the most snug, but the 5/16 fits as well. So I got to get. So that's why I bought both of them. Both these. I think I paid. Also bought me a brand new spark plug gap tool. One of these wired ones. I haven't never used one like that before. But for all this, I spent $37.88 at AutoZone. And come Monday or Tuesday, I'm getting them damn fuel lines off. I don't care what happens. They're coming off. I'm not giving them a choice anymore. I wasted my entire 2 days off this past week getting these past Monday and Tuesday trying to get them off. They wouldn't come off. Not giving them a choice now. They're coming off. Thanks for watching. Bye.